Filter. Sa mga bago nating manonood dyan, this is the episode 2 of Real Talks. Last episode, nalaman natin ang iba't ibang perspective ng ating guest. Aalamin natin kung ano nga ba ang kanilang opinions about sa questions of certainty.
Why is certainty dangerous? Ay, being certain dangerous.
Tingin niyo ba delikado kapag 100% sure tayo sa isang bagay?
Ako feel ko oo. Kasi, syempre pag super sure ka sa isang bagay, edi parang doon ka na lang nag-focus. Close-minded ba ka? Ganun. Doon ka na lang, hindi mo na inaano yung perspective nung sa iba, gano'n. Kasi nga, sure ka na doon, alam mo nang tama ka. Ayun.
Parang hindi ka na rin nakikinig sa perspective or
True.
opinion ng iba.
Tsaka feeling ko yan din yung mga reasons kung bakit nagkakaroon ng mga crimes. Mga ganun. Parang nagkaka-lead siya ng pagiging dangerous.
Ikaw, Liz, bakit tingin mo?
I think, yun nga, yes, delikado siya. Kasi, meaning nun is, di mo ba dina-double check kung mayroon bang masamang mangyayari or mayroon bang something na hindi mo inaasahan ba?
Sa tingin ko din, being too cautious is dangerous because kasi pag di ba sobrang kagaya ng sinabi ni Shane, pag sobrang sure ka sa isang bagay, doon ka magpo-focus and lang. Madami kang madami kang mamimiss na mga opportunities ganun.
I feel like I'm so sorry. I feel like being too certain is dangerous because it really closes one's mind and it's like pinpointing towards just one type of belief. Because I feel like certainty is kind of connected with faith on whether or not believing something that is unsure of, even though there's not enough evidence. But sometimes there is enough evidence. But I feel like with certainty, it's applicable to everything because with too much of everything, it eventually goes negative or goes bad. Kaya being too certain, I would say, is pretty dangerous in terms of the mental state of a human.
Ako dati, akala ko okay lang hindi ko 100% sure. Tapos habang tumatanda ako, parang na-realize ko na mas maraming mali. And doon ko parang masasabi na hindi rin pala okay kapag 100% sure ka sa mga bagay.
Oo. Tsaka kasi it kills curiosity. Parang paano ka magkaka-learn? Paano ka ma-learn or mag-grow if you're not curious about something.
Kasi kapag 100% sure tayo, di ba, parang nawawala yung curiosity. And yung curiosity, yun yung tumutulak sa atin para matuto.
Mag-explore.
Real talks!
Now, next question. Are you familiar with Descartes? Philosopher?
Okay, na-lesson natin yan.
Tama.
Sabi kasi, he doubted everything. Kumbaga, kung-question niya lahat, pati yung realidad. Bakit sa tingin niyo, bakit kaya kung-question niya lahat?
Feel ko, kine-question niya lahat kasi, di ba, siya mismo, minsan yung like, pandamag, ganun. Pero minsan, akala mo, totoo, tapos yung pala, sa panaginip lang. Kasi ba, may time ba kayong ganun? Parang tunay siya, tapos pag hindi pala. Nasaan na totoo? Ewan. Yun din.
Oo nga, yung doon nga sa dream. Parang, siguro, nga, pag nag-dream ka, di ba, feeling mo everything is feels real, ganun. O what more pa kaya pag ngayon talaga na, malay mo, hindi mo pala totoo.
Tama.
Lagi niya, I think, may point siya kung bakit kaya kina-question yung everything about reality. Kasi, hindi naman natin sure kung saan talaga nagsimula, saan nagdulo, ano yung paninimulan at ano yung magtatapos.
Actually, para sa akin, ironic siya eh, kasi ang tingin ko doon, kini-question niya lahat para makasigurado siya sa lahat. So, kasi sa yung time nila, di ba, parang blind faith lang yung pinaniniwalaan nila. Kahit anong makita nila, pinaniniwalaan nila. Kaya parang question ni Rene Descartes yung ang lahat ng nakikita niya para sure siya na kung ano yung totoo.
Parang isa din sa pagkatao natin kasi parang para maging sure tayo sa isang bagay na naman walang na na mahirap Klaro, mahirap i-explain katulad ng mga Panginoon, ganyan. Parang, di ba? Parang lumiisipin na totoo ba talaga sila? Masarap ba yung french fries?
Tsaka may na-read ako. Ay, hindi. Ewan ko, pero may na-read. May kasi nga nag-research. Research na sinabi daw ni Descartes. Sino yun? Descartes. Na na I think therefore I am. Anong opinion niya about doon? Na sinabi niya.
Yung line niya.
Oo, yung line. Kasi parang papasok din yung line na yun sa topic na to.
Line niya na yun, basically, that was the conclusion of his hypothesis in terms of the theory of, ayun nga, yung pinaka-topic na dinidiscuss namin dito sa podcast na to. Because throughout the questions that Descartes was trying to answer, noong time nila, ayun nga, there wasn't enough evidences in terms of reality. That's why he's kind of like making a hypothesis in terms of, isa sa mga nag-lead sa kanya sa hypothesis na yun is, ayun nga, bakit some dreams feels too real. Sabi din daw niya, bakit daw when you show a tree branch sa isang lake, bakit hindi siya clear vision? Bakit daw siya wavy? Bakit daw pag tumitingin ka ng vision na malayo, maliit? Basically, he's trying to revolve around is reality even reality? And yun yung parang hinahanap talaga dito sa topic natin, is kind of like the assurance na if there's enough evidence to believe in something, that's when you can be certain, or that's where certainty comes from. But there's still some types of evidences that could lead to bending that kind of certainty. Kaya yung famous line ni Descartes, that was his final resolution towards his own beliefs in terms of certainty, na siya na lang mismo yung gagawa kung sino siya, basically. Siya na lang yung magpo-produce kung sino yung personality niya on whatever he believes in, without having uncertainty towards different kinds of things in the world.
So, kumbaga, parang ang point niya, if you want absolute,
PowerPoint.
if you want absolutely to be certain, parang you have to question everything, diba?
Mahirap kasi i-gauge ang certainty because it really depends on the belief of a person. Kaya siya nagiging parang, what do you call this? Kaya siya nagiging aligned with faith. Kasi as we know, the definition of faith is believing in something uncertain. Pero doon na yung parang hinahanap na nila yung gaps or yung holes or evidences para lang maniwala into something that they're unsure of, or something that hindi naman talaga nila masyado nakikita or na-visualize. Kaya I feel like certainty is pretty hard to define because it really depends on the perspective of a person. And I feel like it's, dumidepende siya from one's point of view to another, ganun. Or sometimes to even a group of people. Kaya I feel like doon din pumapasok yung different kinds of religions na meron tayo. Kasi one religion believes in certainty of one, and some believes in a certainty of others. Kaya din siya, I feel like yun yung talagang pinaka nag-revolve lang naman around philosophy. Because philosophy really depends on different kinds of people, basically. Kaya nag-raise ang questions of certainty, especially sa mga philosophers before, is, ayun nga, it's a very interesting topic because it differs from one person to another. And it can really broaden your perspective as a person.
I feel like certainty makes us comfortable, pero questioning makes us human.
Wow. Kailangan mo.
Ang daming alam.
I have a question sa inyo. Is there anything that you're fully certain of?
Pangalan ko.
Di ko sure, malay mo, mali yung nilagay sa birth certificate mo, ganon.
Hindi ko yung ano. Pagiging maganda. Okay. Kayo ba? Meron ba?
I think sa akin wala.
Wala. About you?
Sure ka wala or baka overthinker pa lang?
Pwede.
Ano ko mapasok? Di ako uncertain.
Kaya, di ako certain.
So kasi madaming possibilities sa future natin kaya wala talagang certain para sa akin.
Even if the world provides you 100% of the evidence to be certain about something, would you be certain for that thing?
Still no.
Bakit?
So, di ba ang question mo is, kahit umikot sa akin yung mundo,
Hindi iba yun.
wait, ano, pakiulit.
Umikot sa akin ang mundo. Dita, Lord! May planner ka na.
Ano, kung ibibigay sa'yo ng world is 100% evidence for something, would you be certain for that something na?
Kasi, wala, di ba, yung point ni Descartes is, madami siyang kinu-question niya kahit may mga proof, evidence, or such stuff na nagpo-point out doon, kinu-question niya pa rin. So, kahit sabihin ko man na may mga ebidensya na sumusupport na may gano, ay, na yun yung mangyayari, ganon, or ganon, or iba man, kinu-questionin ko pa rin.
Bakit?
Kasi nga,
Bakit mo ako questionin? Philosopher ka ba?
Kasi,
Trust your gut.
kasi hindi naman tayo, kasi wala naman talaga, in my opinion, wala naman talagang certain eh.
kung are, tatanong ko sa'yo, certain ka ba lalaki ka?
Sabi nila.
Kagaya yun, you have all the evidence to say, di ko sure. You have all the evidence to say that your sex is male. Pero, are you certain with that or hindi? Kasi isa na yun sa example, the world is giving you 100% of the evidence that you need. Or are you going to be certain with that pa din or hindi?
I think yun lang magiging certain ako.
So pa kung nga si Jared, maputi siya. Certain ka ba na maputi ka?
No.
Bakit?
Madaming factors kasi yan sa, di ba? Like, skincare, ganun. Like, kung, like, parang ano, like, hindi naman, hindi kasi ko, wait lang, hindi kasi,
Ano sa akin?
like, parang skincare. Like, ano, hindi ka naman sigurado kung, hindi naman sigurado kung natural yun or gawa ng mga products na pinagagamit mo, di ba?
So guys, please leave a comment down below kung ano po yung gusto niyo next topic namin sa podcast. Yung hindi po sana kami makakancel sa internet.
Thanks for watching Real Talks, mapanuring usapan
At walang filter!